Hello and welcome to AML Pro Code. Today we're going deep into the world of supervised learning, one of the most important branches of machine learning. Supervised learning is a type of machine learning where the model learns from labeled data. That means we provide the algorithm with input data along with the correct output. The algorithm then tries to learn the mapping function from inputs to outputs so it can predict unseen data accurately. Imagine you have a data set of houses, including features like size, number of bedrooms, and location, along with the house prices. There are two main types: regression for predicting continuous values like house prices, and classification for predicting categories like spam detection. Linear regression is the simplest algorithm. It draws the best-fitting straight line through data points to predict values like house prices based on square footage. Logistic regression predicts probabilities for classification, like determining if a patient has diabetes based on health metrics. Decision trees work like flowcharts, making decisions at each branch. Random forest combines multiple trees for better accuracy. Support vector machines find the best boundary between classes, while k-nearest neighbors classifies based on nearby data points. Choosing the right algorithm depends on your data size, whether it's regression or classification, and your computational resources. Supervised learning powers finance predictions, medical diagnosis, product recommendations, and even self-driving cars. And that's supervised learning. From linear regression to advanced algorithms, these techniques form the backbone of predictive analytics. Subscribe for more algorithm deep dives with code examples. Thanks for watching.